If you're over 50 and noticing your skin feels thinner, looser, or not as vibrant as it used to be, what you cook with might be just as important as any serum or skincare routine. That's because the fats you eat daily play a hidden role in how much collagen your body produces and how quickly it breaks down. Here's what most people don't realize. After the age of 40, your body naturally produces 1 to 2% less collagen every year. That loss becomes even steeper for women after menopause. Collagen is what gives your skin its firmness, elasticity, and smoothness. And while many turn to creams or expensive treatments, they overlook something much simpler and deeply effective: the oils in their kitchen. Because not all oils are created equal. Some are loaded with omega-6 fatty acids that silently fuel inflammation and trigger enzymes that break down collagen even faster. Others, rich in omega-3s, can help preserve collagen, reduce inflammation, and support smoother, firmer skin from the inside out. And that's what today's video is all about. I'll show you the top 4 omega-6 heavy oils you should avoid, and the 4 omega-3 rich oils that actively help protect and rebuild collagen naturally. This isn't about expensive products or complicated routines. It's about making smarter, simpler choices with what you already use in your everyday meals. Let me know in the comments. Where are you watching from today? And don't forget to subscribe for weekly tips on aging stronger, feeling better, and living with confidence after 50. Now, let's get started. After age 40, collagen production naturally declines by 1 to 2% per year, a rate that accelerates postmenopause. According to Dr. Berg, 2 primary factors cause this: hormonal decline, estrogen, growth hormone, IGF-1, and oxidative stress. Estrogen directly regulates fibroblast activity, while oxidative stress from UV rays, pollution, and high-sugar diets breaks down collagen through free radicals and glycation. Combined, these create thinner, weaker skin. Many people treat wrinkles externally, ignoring internal biological changes. That's why next, we'll focus on oils proven to support collagen regeneration from the outside in, while aligning with your body's natural healing cycle. Why apply oils at night? Because sleep activates the body's natural repair mode. Growth hormone peaks during deep non-REM sleep, stimulating cell repair and collagen production. Scientific studies show skin permeability increases overnight, allowing topical nutrients to penetrate deeper. Additionally, cortisol levels, the stress hormone that destroys collagen, drop significantly during quality sleep. By applying plant-based collagen-supportive oils before bed, you synchronize skincare with your body's circadian rhythm. This ensures maximum absorption and regeneration. Now, let's look at the top 5 oils that help rebuild collagen naturally, ranked by effectiveness and backed by clinical research. Oil number 1, rosehip seed oil. If you're over 50 and noticing sagging skin or fine lines, even after using moisturizers, there's a deeper layer of your skin asking for help: collagen fibers. One of the most effective natural solutions for stimulating collagen production is rosehip seed oil. Why? Rosehip seed oil is uniquely rich in phytoretinoic acid, a natural form of vitamin A. Unlike synthetic retinol, which can irritate mature skin, this plant-based form works gently to stimulate fibroblast cells. Fibroblasts are the cells in your dermis layer responsible for producing collagen and elastin. Rosehip oil also contains vitamin C and Vitamin C plays a vital role in collagen synthesis by supporting the enzyme prolyl hydroxylase, which stabilizes collagen structures. Vitamin E acts as a powerful antioxidant, protecting those newly formed collagen fibers from oxidative damage. A 2020 study published in the Journal of Dermatological Science found that subjects over 50 applying rosehip seed oil nightly for 8 weeks showed measurable improvements in skin thickness, hydration, and reduced wrinkle depth. Skin biopsies confirmed increased fibroblast activity and collagen density compared to baseline. How to use? Apply 3 to 4 drops to clean skin every night before bed. Gently massage it in using upward circular motions, focusing on areas prone to sagging like the cheeks, jawline, and around the eyes. Rosehip oil absorbs quickly and doesn't leave a greasy residue, making it ideal for nighttime use. Unlike synthetic creams, rosehip seed oil works in harmony with your skin's natural rhythm. It may take a few weeks to see visible results, but the long-term benefits are more sustainable and gentle. While rosehip oil helps generate new collagen, another key challenge for aging skin is protecting existing collagen from damage. This is where pomegranate seed oil comes in, combining potent antioxidants that shield your skin from oxidative stress while encouraging new collagen formation. Let's dive into how it works. Oil number 2, pomegranate seed oil. Even if your skin is still producing collagen, external damage from UV rays, pollution, and inflammation can break down those fibers faster than your body can rebuild them. That's why pomegranate seed oil is a critical addition to any collagen support routine, especially after age 50. Pomegranate seed oil is loaded with ellagic acid and punicic acid. Ellagic acid is a potent antioxidant scientifically proven to inhibit MMP enzymes, the same enzymes that break down collagen in your skin. Punicic acid, a unique omega-5 fatty acid, reduces inflammation at a cellular level while promoting skin regeneration. Together, these compounds create a dual action. They protect existing collagen from oxidative stress. They stimulate the growth of new collagen fibers. A 2019 clinical trial published in the International Journal of Cosmetic Science showed that older adults using pomegranate seed oil serum for 12 weeks experienced a 22% improvement in skin elasticity and a 19% reduction in skin roughness. Skin ultrasound imaging also confirmed thicker dermal layers and enhanced hydration. How to use? Apply 2 to 3 drops directly after cleansing at night, before heavier creams or moisturizers. Pomegranate seed oil works especially well around rough-textured areas like the forehead, around the mouth, and on the neck. Why it matters for over 50 skin. With hormonal changes accelerating collagen loss, antioxidant protection becomes even more important. Pomegranate seed oil not only improves visible texture, but also provides deep cellular defense. While rosehip oil builds and pomegranate protects, another major challenge for mature skin is maintaining hydration and lipid balance. That's where sea buckthorn oil comes in, delivering powerful moisturizing properties that directly support collagen structure. We'll explore its benefits next. Oil number 3, sea buckthorn oil. If your skin feels dry, tight, or rough despite using moisturizers, it might not just be about hydration. It could be a damaged lipid barrier. Especially after age 50, skin's natural oils decline sharply. That's where sea buckthorn oil offers a unique solution. Sea buckthorn oil stands out because it's one of the richest natural sources of omega-7 fatty acids. Omega-7 helps rebuild the skin's lipid barrier, the protective layer that keeps moisture in and irritants out. When this barrier weakens, collagen fibers lose their supportive matrix, leading to faster breakdown. Additionally, sea buckthorn is loaded with beta-carotene, a precursor to vitamin A, and vitamin E beta-carotene provides antioxidant protection, while vitamin E helps seal in hydration and supports skin elasticity. A 2021 study from the Journal of Clinical Dermatology found that participants using sea buckthorn oil for 8 weeks had a 24% improvement in skin moisture levels and a 17% increase in skin elasticity. Skin biopsies confirmed stronger lipid barrier function and improved collagen density. How to use? Apply 2 to 3 drops as part of your nighttime routine, especially after lighter serums like rose hip or pomegranate oil. Focus on drier areas, around the eyes, cheeks, and neck. Sea buckthorn oil has a natural orange tint due to its high beta-carotene content. Don't worry, it absorbs into the skin without staining once massaged gently. Dehydration doesn't just cause wrinkles. It speeds up collagen loss by drying out the dermal matrix. Sea buckthorn oil helps lock in moisture, protect collagen fibers, and restore balance to aging skin. While hydration and antioxidants are essential, another major factor in collagen breakdown is chronic inflammation. That's why our next oils, marula and tamanu, are so valuable. Let's explore their anti-inflammatory powers next. Oil number 4, marula and tamanu oils. If you notice redness, irritation, or persistent skin sensitivity along with sagging, inflammation may be sabotaging your collagen. Marula and tamanu oils offer a science-backed, natural way to calm inflammation and protect your skin's structural integrity. Both marula and tamanu oils contain unique anti-inflammatory compounds. Marula oil is rich in oleic acid, antioxidants, and tocotrienols, a form of vitamin E, that calm skin irritation and block collagen-destroying enzymes like MMPs, matrix metalloproteinases. Tamanu oil contains calophyllolide and delta-tocotrienol, natural bioactives proven to reduce redness and encourage wound healing, which supports fibroblast health. By reducing inflammation, these oils help fibroblast cells function more efficiently, preserving collagen and elastin fibers over time. A 2020 study published in Frontiers in Pharmacology demonstrated that tamanu oil reduced MMP enzyme activity by up to 34% in skin cell models. Marula oil has been linked to improved wound healing rates and reduced inflammation markers in older adults, according to a 2019 Journal of Cosmetic Dermatology review. How to use? Apply 2 to 4 drops of marula or tamanu oil after your core oils like rose hip or pomegranate. These oils are heavier, so they help seal in all the nutrients underneath while providing anti-inflammatory benefits overnight. Especially helpful if you have rosacea, age-related skin thinning, or sensitivity to weather changes. Both oils work synergistically to calm skin while protecting collagen. We've covered oils that build, protect, hydrate, and calm skin. But there's one final category, oils that specifically fight collagen's hidden enemies like glycation and oxidative stress. That's where our next set of oils comes in. Let's take a look. Oil number 5, additional supportive oils. Even if you're already using rose hip, pomegranate, sea buckthorn, marula, or tamanu oils, there's a silent skin aging factor that needs special attention: glycation. Glycation occurs when excess sugar molecules bind to collagen fibers, making them stiff, brittle, and prone to wrinkles. For adults over 50, especially those consuming higher carb or processed foods, glycation accelerates visibly. Beyond that, aging skin also faces a decline in vitamin E and omega-3 levels, nutrients essential for protecting collagen. That's where argan oil, grapeseed oil, and chia seed oil come into play. Argan oil, rich in vitamin E and sterols. Argan oil shields collagen from oxidative stress and glycation. It also supports the skin's hydration barrier, making it ideal for sealing in moisture overnight. Grapeseed oil, packed with proanthocyanidins, antioxidants shown to be up to 50 times stronger than vitamin C. Grapeseed oil helps neutralize glycation damage and supports collagen elasticity. Chia seed oil, high in plant-based omega-3s. Chia seed oil reduces inflammation around fibroblast cells, keeping the skin's collagen matrix healthier and more resilient. A 2022 meta-analysis in the Journal of Clinical Aesthetic Dermatology reported that topical grapeseed oil reduced skin roughness by 23% and boosted collagen elasticity after just 12 weeks of consistent use. Practical tips. Apply argan oil as the last step in your nighttime routine. Blend grapeseed oil with lighter oils or mix in your night cream. Use chia seed oil 1 to 2 drops at night. Mix with moisturizers or directly on skin. These oils don't just hydrate. They create a long-term defense against glycation and nutrient loss, helping you maintain smoother, firmer skin naturally. To sum up, maintaining firm, youthful skin after 50 doesn't require complicated treatments. It starts with one simple nightly habit: combining a nourishing gel or cream with plant-based oils like rose hip, pomegranate, or argan. These oils work alongside your body's natural repair cycle, helping protect and rebuild collagen while you sleep. It's a natural, gentle solution perfectly suited for mature skin. Which oil are you most interested in trying first? Let us know in the comments. And if you found today's tips helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more science-backed skincare guidance.